Hello, today we'll be discussing voltage measurements and doing the practical. So we're going to be taking measurements of a DC voltage source and that of a battery. Materials and equipment used includes a multimeter and a voltage source. Here we have the voltage source and the battery and our multimeter. Put your black probes going to your COM slots. Adjust to the range of the set to the DC voltage range for your measurements. And we have our 15 voltage. Now this is a 15 volt voltage source. You can see the positive and the negative terminals and the ground. So we have the positive one and the negative one. So we are going to be measuring the voltage across the 15 voltage terminals. So we are going to be using the positive of the 15 volts and the negative. So switch on your DC voltage source, already plugged, it has been connected. So these jumper wires are just there to create a connection. As stated, we have our positive and our negative. So this is very important in terms of convention, sign convention. So putting it into our breadboard, you can decide to measure just directly. So we have our positive and negative. These are connected together as breadboards. So after setting our voltage to the DC voltage range, we are going to be going with 20 because we are measuring a 15 voltage source. Put in your probes, your COM, your black probe goes into your COM and your red probe goes into your voltage ohms milliammeter slots. And let's take our measurements. So your red goes to the positive terminal of your source, and the negative, the black, goes to the negative terminal. So we have 15.60. So we are correct approximately. So we have a 15 point measure again. So we've successfully measured the voltage coming out of this voltage source. Now we want to go just measure that of a battery. Also, for accurate reading, get a new battery. So this is not a new battery, but we are still going to measure and go ahead. So check for the positive and the negative terminal. It is being ascribed by the manufacturer of any battery you are buying. That is a sure thing. They only have, so you can see the negative, that goes for the negative, and the positive, that goes for the positive. So this is a 9 volt battery, but let's see, but it has been used. So but let's see what is left of the voltage it supplies. So you can see we are left 6.62 voltage. That's what is coming out of the battery. It's a 9 volt battery, but so for an accurate reading, just get a new battery, brand new battery, and measure. And thank you.